Situated along Tasmania's rugged southern coastline, Tinderbox House stands as a masterpiece of architectural harmony with its surroundings. Designed by studio Ilk Architecture Plus Interiors, the residence combines thoughtful design with sustainable practices to create a tranquil and dynamic retreat that is tailored to its environment and the owner's lifestyle. The challenges faced on this site were manifold: bushfire risk, fragile biodiversity, and the remains of past excavations required careful consideration. Studio Ilk responded appropriately, placing the house at the base of a gentle slope. This placement not only protects the building from strong coastal winds, but also preserves the natural beauty of the site, allowing the house to blend into the landscape. Locally sourced materials form the backbone of Tinderbox House. The stone walls are beautifully laid and beautiful, while fire-resistant spotted gum wood ensures resistance to harsh weather. These materials, chosen for their durability and aesthetic qualities, form the basis of a home that is solid in the Tasmanian context. The interior of Tinderbox House reflects the warmth and authenticity of its exterior. Polished concrete floors add a soft caramel-colored warmth. Large sliding glass windows along the southern facade frame views from the inside out, creating a seamless connection between the interior and exterior spaces. The layout unfolds as a series of interconnected pavilions, each tailored to a specific function. The central pavilion houses the main living and dining areas, characterized by an open-plan design and connection to the commercial-grade kitchen. The western wing of the home is dedicated to the master suite, which offers a private sanctuary for the homeowners. This wing includes a sitting room, en suite bathroom, and a balcony offering expansive views of the coastline. Energy efficiency is a cornerstone of the design. Despite its large size, the home is equipped with a modular system that allows unused sections to be closed off. Solar panels with battery storage, a geothermal heat pump, and extensive insulation ensure the home operates sustainably while maintaining comfort year-round. The The living room is a warm and inviting sanctuary designed for connection and relaxation, serving as the heart of the home's shared moments. Anchored by plush sectional sofas arranged around a low coffee table, the space is softened by textured rugs and illuminated by natural light streaming through minimalist glass windows. A standout feature of the home is the cantilevered swimming pool, which extends dramatically toward the cliff edge. The pool spans the interior and exterior spaces, creating a striking visual connection between the home and its surroundings. Designed for year-round use, the pool can be covered during the cooler months, increasing the home's thermal efficiency. Tucked away at the rear of the building, the bedroom offers a sanctuary of privacy and comfort, seamlessly blending functionality with luxury. A freestanding bathtub takes center stage in an alcove designed for relaxation, with soft lighting and polished stone finishes, enhancing its spa-like appeal. At the heart of the building is an open-plan living space that exudes warmth and friendliness, seamlessly uniting the kitchen and dining areas into one inviting hub. The kitchen is a minimalist yet functional masterpiece. Next to it, the dining table takes center stage, crafted from rich wood and surrounded by comfortable seating, perfect for intimate meals or lively gatherings, making this living space as comfortable as it is stylish, a true centerpiece of the home. Nestled in the tranquil setting of its location, the billiards room is a space defined by energy and intimacy. Its focal point is the beautifully crafted billiards table, centered on a soft chandelier. The floors are polished concrete, offering durability and a sleek, contemporary finish that complements the room's vibrant purpose. Adjacent to the billiards room, The reading room offers a contrasting experience of serenity and focus. The space is designed for introspection, with a wall of built-in bookshelves housing an extensive collection. Comfortable armchairs sit near low tables, creating inviting nooks for uninterrupted reading. A warm wood partition separating the reading room from the billiards room hints at the connection between the two spaces while maintaining distinct moods. Glass walls frame the space, opening it up to the exterior landscape. The views outside, combined with the natural light pouring in, provide a serene backdrop for literary exploration. Tinderbox House is an example of how architecture can respect the natural environment while providing modern comforts. Studio Ilk's thoughtful approach has resulted in a home that is a true sanctuary, celebrating the rugged beauty of the Tasmanian coast and providing a peaceful haven for its inhabitants.